Hi friends, good morning. This is Jeevan here. I'll be briefly talking about my experience with options. I'm very new to options trading. I started early this year experimenting with some of the options. And unfortunately, the timing has been so bad that in March I've really burnt my fingers with what happened in the stock markets with the corona situation, right? So obviously one cannot predict as to how the markets would move, whether it will go up or down. There can never be a certainty, right? But then is a real issue with the markets or the strategy that you adopt actually. What I felt is that the real issue is not the markets actually, but are you in control of your trade, right? Do you know exactly what adjustments to make depending on whether the market is moving up or whether the market is moving down? So the point is, irrespective of the markets, actually one should be in control of their trade. This is where I'm fortunate to have come across with the Trendrooster YouTube channel of Mr. Rajashekaran, and I started experimenting with monthly income trade option that he suggested actually, and I've tried that for some time and found that the results are not only good, but the confidence that you gain, right, in terms of your ability to control the trade, right, and manage the trade. You know exactly what adjustments to make if the market is kind of reaching a threshold level and going to go up versus if the market is kind of going down actually, right? So basically, you're in control of the trade. So with this good experience, then I thought of experimenting the weekly income trade option that he has started offering, and there also it was excellent experience. He has got about 4 or 5 different options for the weekly income trade, and each of them were found to be good. Of course, some are more conservative approaches, and some are more for experienced trader who can actually control the trade much better. So I'm kind of experimenting with the initial couple of options, and I think the results are good actually. On an average, I could make about at least 1 to 2% in each trade, and at least 5% plus in kind of a monthly income. I think that's phenomenal, right? And I'm still in the early stages, right? So what Raj calls it as a option profile system. It's more than a strategy, meaning that it's comprehensive. It comes with a set of rules. It comes with a set of adjustments depending on how the market is moving. So it gives you're in control of the trade actually. Right? In addition to that, the live guidance that he provides through the live Telegram channel, that is so valuable. It kind of ensures that you never miss out actually, right? There's no surprise, right? So all put together, a comprehensive profile system with set of rules and adjustments and the real-time guidance, one can be really confident in taking a trade because actually, right, irrespective of how the market moves, you can make the adjustments and control your trade, right, and lead to a positive outcome. My experience has been great all along actually, and I'm looking forward to kind of enriched experience in the coming months actually. If you want to be confident and be in control of your trades, irrespective of how the market moves, I think you should give it a try. Actually, right? It's Mr. Rajshekhan's Trendrooster option profile system. It's worth it. Yeah. Thank you.